This is why you will never make money in cryptocurrency. Yeah, I'm talking about you. It's the crypto lifestyle, baby.
Composition right. Do anything that you like. Sit back, relax, I will jive. So strap in, get ready for ride. Time for show me them style. Recline seat, panty flyway. Body I go find where you try to. Bet me I go make you say you sorry, so you try me. Dark dude, long time you a say you want youth. Me not only you aim for your heart. Inna your belly, girl, with me I go shoot.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Francis, and on this channel, we emphasize the importance of crypto mass adoption, decentralization, and other Bitcoin-related stuff that could bank us coin. So if you want to learn more, start by subscribing and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin has reached an all-time high in 2020 of roughly $18,600, and the entire world, not just the crypto world, but the entire world is looking back at Bitcoin. And this is exactly why these people will never make money in this space. You know why? Because they like to buy the top and not the bottom. And let me give you guys a little bit of a story here. So in 2017, when Bitcoin was at about $3,000, just over $3,000, I was telling my mother about Bitcoin, and she didn't want to get it. She's like, I don't know about this thing, it's kind of weird, I don't know, you know, like, what is this, who owns it? She just didn't understand it. But you know, once the news started to talk about it, once you start seeing it on TV, and then she's seen it on Facebook, and more Google searches are popping up, Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, these ads, she's like, okay, let me invest. But guess what? She invested in Bitcoin at roughly $18,700, almost where the price is today. And again, I'm seeing this happen, right? And of course, she ended up losing money because we all know what happened. The following year, the brutal bear market came.
This 2018 bear market has taken an absolute toll on me, mentally and emotionally. My portfolio is absolutely decimated. Speaking of which, my beloved icons was once sitting at $60,000. Now it's sitting at $3,285. I could have cashed on and saved myself a lot of grief, but instead, I'm out here in the wilderness telling you guys what I should have done. I don't even get me started on Neo. Neo is like Katy Perry. She's still hot, she's still sexy, but nobody gives a shit about her, and she's never in the news. Look, soon I might have to be making videos out on the streets, standing on flattened milk carton boxes or crushed soda cans. Times are getting real hard on the boulevard, guys. It's getting real hard. Let me tell you something. YouTube may be free, but investing into cryptocurrency comes at a price. And
Bitcoin went down to $3,000, okay? So she got wrecked. But this is the thing. You know, the next year, when this bear market was still in effect, and Bitcoin was at around 4,000, I told her, I said, hey, Ma, this may sound crazy, but you might want to look back into Bitcoin and buy it. And then she told me, she's like, oh, Francis, nah, I lost too much money and I'm out. I said, okay, cool. And guess what? Today, Bitcoin is right back up at 18,600. So now people want to buy in again. And this is why they will never make money in cryptocurrency, right? And again, guys, right? The same people in 2017 that used to follow my channel, right? And they gave up on crypto. Guess what? They're contacting me again. I just got hit up last night by an old friend back in 2017, and he's like, he wants to get back into crypto. I'm like, bro, you know what? This is not for you because you didn't stuck it out, right? They're just like any other business. There's going to be good times, bad times, thick and thin, right? Are you going to stick through it all, right? For those who stuck through it all, congratulations. And this is why, right? Real OGs, you know what we do? We buy the bottom. And that's why we got XOR at $55, which was 50% off. That's why we got Polkadot when it was in the $3 range. And that's why we bought Bitcoin, you know, when it was low. Ethereum when it was low. And for those type of people, those are the ones who are going to succeed in this space. I'm just fed up of it, you know. And again, right now, they're talking about they want to buy back in. I'm like, just don't do it. It's not for you.
As promised, my fellow crypto lifestylers, I am going to give away one whole unit of Ethereum to one lucky fellow crypto lifestyler who has been subscribed to my channel, who liked,
comment and answered these 3 questions you see here in front of you correctly. And ladies and gentlemen, I must say, unfortunately, we had bots come here within the past 3 days, and I know it's bots because when I get comments on one video where it's about 12 in a row in a matter of, say, about a minute, that is certainly bots, especially names that I have not seen before my channel, guys. And I keep saying I need a new way to do these giveaways. I really do need a new way, but there's no other way to do this other than me picking it manually from people who I have seen within my live chat. Just like I did in the last giveaway, I gave it away to 3 people I had to choose from the comment section, only because if I use the random picker, it will surely give it to a bot. It's a good chance it will give it to a bot, and I don't want that to happen. I don't want no shithead scammer getting this damn Ethereum. So I'm going to give it to the person right here, right now, that I have seen in live chats, and that person who's going to win this 1 Ethereum is going to be Super Kitty, who says, number 1, your ROI is 21.5x, correct. Your win rate is 75%, 6 out of 8, correct. You've averaged 5x per call, which is 4.888% per project. Average return, you are correct, and you are batting 750. That is correct, Super Kitty. I've seen you in a couple of my live streams. I know you're not a bot. You are a contributor, a supporter of this channel. I do appreciate you for everything that you do, and once again, congratulations. Do comment within your comment with your Ethereum address, and also hit me up at the Crypto Lifestyle on Telegram. Also give me your Ethereum address there, and I'll be more than happy to send you over your 1 whole unit of Ethereum. And ladies and gentlemen, don't worry, man, I'm going to be giving away a lot more you know, free crypto, whether that be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and just other altcoins. Okay, so there's a lot more to come, man. Do stay tuned. For the people who didn't win, you will have more opportunities to win. I got something up my sleeve I'm going to share with you guys shortly as well. So congratulations, Super Kitty, and let's get back to the video. And furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, you need to get off this notion that we need mega corporations, we need household names, big box companies in crypto for it to boom. We know we don't. We do not, because in 2017 we almost hit an overall market cap of over $1 trillion, right, within the entire cryptocurrency markets, right? All this BS about Facebook coin, PayPal, backed, all that bullshit, it's only going to let you down, man. So don't think that, you know, you need these companies to get into crypto for it to be a success. It was not made for these people. Crypto was not made for the banks. It was not made for corporations. It was made for people like myself, people like you, and people just like our parents and our family and our friends. For the average person. You know why? Because it was meant for us to eliminate the middlemen. And we're moving from a phase of where we went from a centralized system to a peer-to-peer system to now a decentralized system. And that's the future. And guess what? The future is now. So the moral of the story for this video is this: do not be a sheep. Do not listen to mainstream anything. All right, you gotta go with what the minority is doing. You gotta do what the opposite of what people are doing, what the opposite of what the news is saying, guys. And that's it, man. So you know what, till the next video, your ass is on your own, man. Later.
On the left side, on the right, stop, we not fight.
Hey, girl, how are you?